Hi po guys. Ngayon po, may nabili po ako dito po kanina. Ay Beyblade. Guess po kung ba't pa po ako kumuha ng isa pa po. Kasi po yung unang Beyblade ko po ay fake. Tignan natin siya kung ano, real or fake po guys.
Original.
Ay, nasabi na po ni Daddy original po to. Baka
Dito
real.
yung bawas.
Open na natin.
Yun na natin is complete.
May instruction pa po dito guys.
Tagdalawa na gabi.
Yeah. Nasa barko po kami guys. Ito po, laman po niya. Uy, po guys. Ito na siya. Yeah. Plastic. Ito. Okay. Ito po siya. Phoenix Wing. Pangalan po nito guys. Guys, mag-comment lang po
Dito
kayo
na sa labahin ng
kung naglalaro po kayo Beyblade. Oh my god.
Don't forget the water later.
Na, pag unboxing daw, pag nakikita mo sa kanila ini-unbox mo, hindi yung mukha mo.
Guys,
Ano?
wait lang po. Buksan ko muna po to. Sorry po guys, hindi ko po pinakita sa inyo
Oh, hindi nga unboxing yan.
Yeah. Ito ang accessories.
Accessory.
Accessories po niya. Promise po guys, yung una ko pong Beyblade nasa online po. Ay, real to, oh, guys. Ayan. Pag-uwi po namin guys, pag-uwi po namin ay papakita ko sa iyo sa different ng real saka fake. Ito ay yung nasa paan, yung sa paa po. Saka po ito red. May real Beyblade na ako, yay.
Naka-ano tayo?
Wait.
7.5.
Launcher. The launcher.
Hindi tayo malamig.
Nilagay ko sa camera nito.
Ano tayo gawin?
Hello. Definitely.
Very hot. Dinner? Orange? Yeah, I have to. I will bring them all together.
Jan, how are you doing?
Dayan. Hey,
Dan.
Dayan.
Dan. Dan.
Dan. Laura is, how are you? He said.
How are you daw?
He's unboxing his Beyblade.
Yeah, show me one.
Show.
Man, show me a video.
Phoenix Wing.
So ask your father and your papa to bring you a plate, huh?
We have at home.
I love
We already have two, and then there's an arena. So that's the third one.
my first Beyblade is fake. Promise.
That one's original.
Can I see?
Can I see? Hey,
This is
show me color.
wait lang po guys. And this is Phoenix Wing.
Phoenix. I'm going back.
Excuse me po.
Yeah, that's $20.
Surely, guys. Tapos, ito pa po, the
Yeah. Better bearing.
instruction.
Yeah.
Meron na po dito. Wait, the question
It's
is...
unboxing and then it's videoing. Then,
Just doing a unboxing video.
my God. Yeah.
Wait.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Enjoy. Still have
This is the...
Okay.
Wait. Uy.
Now, do you want some KFC?
No, he's not eating chicken, only French fries. He already ate that. Okay, Lord, thank you.
Then,
Ano yun, Daddy?
Only yan, Norway.
oh no.
Dadalhin ko ng ano.
Where is the... No.
Ano pa
No.
naman, 500. Ilang oras?
This is the old Beyblade.
Ano ka niya, diba?
This is the new Beyblade. Wait.
Kagaya ng ano natin later.
Sana kung nakatutok sila sa
Tsaka
akin.
hindi naman sila nakatutok.
Here's the Beyblade.
Walang malamig na tubig.
Yung nilagay mo dun sa ano.
Oh my God.
Yan.
Oh my God.
Ikaw naglagay.
That's it, guys. Bye.
Hmm.
See you in my home.
Yung kasi nasa plastic.